Hi, today I'll show you how to split text in Photoshop. So let's get to the video. At first, select the pen tool and select the area which you want to split. Right click and click on Make Selection. Make sure that the feather radius is 0 and click on OK. Now right click on text layer and click rasterize type. Then click on arrow tool and move the highlighted text. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate layer. Now press Alt Ctrl G to create clipping mask. Now right click on it, click on blending options and select drop shadow. Adjust the setting and we are done. If it was helpful, do like and subscribe and comment on your feedbacks. Thank you.